Welcome to the House of Simple Art channel. Let's draw a cute bunny. We will need a pencil. With it, we will draw the figure of the bunny and everything else.
That's good.
If you made a mistake, it's no problem. You can erase with an eraser and draw correctly. With a pink marker, we will paint the cheeks and ears of the bunny. Circle our drawing with a black pen. That's it! Our cute bunny is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon!